How to earn money without investment. Alternative investments online apply by January 10th. Student stories request more information. Online course catalog, course platform. Grow your business without investment. Earn money quick procedure. Safe and legal 24/7 support for all expert issue of most enterprises. Earn rupees 300 per answer. Start in 26 seconds from now. Companies are looking for your answer. They are ready to pay. You answer help to make. Number 9, great work from jobs. How to make money from home. 16 best ways to earn money online in Pakistan. Number 1, make money online from YouTube. Number 2, earn money from Google AdSense. Number 3, earn money from Fiverr. Number 4, blogging. Number 5, earn money through affiliate marketing. Number 6, make money online with data entry. Number 7, earn money online in Pakistan through content writing. Number 8, website monetization. How to earn money online in Pakistan without investment. How can I earn money without any investment? List of online jobs without investment. Number 1, become a subject matter expert. Chegg is a service provided to all students throughout the world. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Number 3, fill online surveys. Number 4, enter the domain game. Number 5, start a YouTube channel. Number 6, sell online courses. Number 7, join freelancing services. Number 8, rent your car. Online jobs without investment that can earn your rupees 1000 per day. How can I get free money in Pakistan? How can I make $100 a day? Which is the best earning app without investment? Who is the best earning app? Which app gives real money? How can I get free money in Pakistan? Online earning website in Pakistan without investment 2021. Number 1, top online earning websites in Pakistan without investment 2021. Fiverr is the most popular online marketplace. Number 2, Upwork. Upwork is another freelancer work platform. Number 3, Freelancer. Number 4, Designs. Number 5, People. Para.com. Number 6, Guru.com. Number 7, Rosie. Number 8, Workchest.com. Online earning without investment 2021. Punjab College PGS. How can I make $100 a day? How to make $100 a day. 36 creative ways to make money. Number 1, take part in research up to $150 per hour. Number 2, get paid to take surveys. Number 3, become a shopper. Number 4, get paid to watch videos online. Number 5, wrap your car. Number 6, sell your crafts. Number 7, download these 2 steps to number 7, download these 2 apps and make $125 by going online. Number 8, make an extra $100 pet setting. Which is the best earning app without investment? Top 10 money earning app without investment in India. Loco earn money watching and playing game. Current rewards, get paid to listen to music. Rosedhan earn Paytm cash with games and tasks. Earn Caro app, get paid to shop. How to earn money without any investment?